There are many masks that could protect you from air pollution, harmful microorganisms, and allergens. But only purME Air takes air purifying to the next level. As a follow-up to the purME's first generation, purME Air is a wearable air purifier with its unique twin turbine. It is a revolutionized face mask designed for those who are active. purME Air is installed with a UVC light inside and capable for self-cleaning. You can simply remove bacteria, viruses, fungal, and odor before and after each wear. It will automatically turn off once you flip over for your safety. The straps are very comfortable, and it will keep the mask in place even on the move. Whenever it gets dirty, you can easily wash them in the washer. purME Air allows you to exercise safely and comfortably. It only weighs around 80 grams, which is half the weight compared to other powered masks on the market. With constant pressure technology, you could still get enough oxygen to get you through any intense exercises while remaining perfectly sealed. The two identical turbines will adjust the amount of air drawn in and out, preventing any leak and overpressure. purME Air can be used for up to 6 hours on a single charge with just a regular USB cable. We have carefully picked out the most reliable and quiet fan turbines for purME Air. With precise engineering, it will always remain quiet as the vibration is minimized by bearings. purME Air is the mask for anyone who wants to exercise without having to breathe in bad air pollution, or just for everyday use. It is the only mask you will need.